Introducing the 2010 Volkswagen New Beetle. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Volkswagen are offered, including a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.